Ready to transfer your pocket option trading wins directly to your Visa card? Let's make it happen in a few simple steps. First, log into your pocket option account. Once you are in, navigate to the profile section. You can typically find this in the top right corner. Look for an option like finance or withdrawal. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll see a list of available withdrawal methods. Scroll down until you find Visa. Make sure your Visa card is eligible for online transactions and withdrawals. Click on the Visa option to select it. A withdrawal request form will now appear. Carefully enter your Visa card details. This will usually include your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code. Double check all the information to ensure it's accurate. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your pocket option account. Remember that there might be minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by pocket option. Before finalizing, review all the details you have entered. Ensure the card number, amount, and other details are correct. Once you are satisfied, click on the confirmation button to submit your withdrawal request. Pocket option will then process your request. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section of your account. Processing times can vary, so be patient. And that's it. Once the withdrawal is processed, the funds should appear in your Visa card account. Enjoy your profits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pocket option tips and tutorials.